A really good question that comes up is what happens to all this data, all these leads, and what's the transparency like when we're doing all these automations for our clients? I'm going to show you what the dashboards look like. In short, our clients keep all of their data, have access to all their own data individually, and they keep every single lead that we generate goes to them. They have visibility into dead leads, nurtured leads, short-term nurture leads, and pre-qualified call denial leads, all in a very transparent way. And I will show you a dashboard. I'll just be real candid here. This is one of our clients. This is very standard look here. This person so far this month had 25 leads. They had out of those, 7 hot were delivered so far. Total, they had 425 total leads come in. So what we're looking at here across the top, the big number 25 is how many leads we've captured so far this month. That was the first week, so right on track with about 25. And then pre-qualified of those was 7. And then at the bottom, highlighted, you see the total performance, 425 leads captured. 56 of those have been pre-qualified. That's a little bit under our standard qualification rate, but these numbers usually play out as they get bigger. And then out of those 56, you can see 4 contracts were signed. Now we're gonna look at a client who has a little bit bigger numbers. This client, you can see highlighted in the bottom, has almost 3,000 total leads. Out of those, 588 have been pre-qualified leads. That's at closer to that 20% mark. And then the contracts out of 588 leads that they had to look at was 44 contracts. So this is the magic of what goes on here, is taking about 3,000 leads, turning it into about 500 that need to be talked to by an acquisitions manager, and then converting those into contracts. That's where we speed up the process. Everything's very transparent. Every reason, note, data point is all visible to our clients our clients keep every single lead. Nothing's hidden, nothing's lost. It's just organized by real seller intent. And that's the clarity difference between just getting more leads and building a scalable system.